Withdrawing money from YouTube after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Ensure that your YouTube channel meets the eligibility criteria for monetization, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Your account must also be in good standing. Step 2. Set up an AdSense account. If you haven't done so already, create an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. This is necessary for receiving payments. Follow the prompts on the AdSense website to complete the setup. Step 3. Link YouTube to AdSense. Go to your YouTube studio, navigate to the monetization section, and link your YouTube account to your AdSense account. This step is crucial for transferring your earnings. Step 4. Accumulate earnings. Continue to create content and generate revenue through ads, memberships, and super chats. You need to reach the payment threshold set by AdSense, which is typically $100. Step 5. Request payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROCCON link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now that you know how to withdraw money from YouTube after your account review, you can confidently manage your earnings and focus on creating great content.